We can also use the switch statement, inside if statement, looping statement, and also using switch inside a switch is also possible. Syntax of switch statement. Has a case statement. If the condition is true, it will execute the statement 1. Otherwise, it will check the case 2, and it is true, it will execute the case statement 2. Otherwise, it's come to the default statement and execute the default statement. If statement is a conditional statement, it has the it will check the condition and it is true. If and it execute the statement 1, else it execute the false statement. Switch has the true and false statement by the mean of if condition statement else condition. Thank you. Hello everyone. Now I am here to tell the basics of computer. Computer is an electronic device which can storing data and processing data typically in a binary format. CPU is the brain of the computer. CPU is nothing but central processing unit. CPU consists of control unit and arithmetic and logic unit, which is nothing but ALU. Control unit receive instruction from RAM. ALU is nothing but it will perform the basic arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And inside the CPU, it consists of billions of transistors with PNP to amplify the signal. By the combination of gate inside the CPU, we can run the arithmetic operations. Number system in computer. It can be represented in different form like digital, binary, octal, hexadecimal. Digital is nothing but 0 to 9 and binary is nothing but zeros and ones. Octal is nothing but 0 to 7. Hexadecimal is coded to 0 to 15 where 0 to 9 is a number and 10 to 14 is a to F. For 10, it will be represented as A, B to 11. Likewise, it will represent it to 15. For 15, it will represent as F. CPU has 8-bit address bus, where 8-bit machine can take a 8-bit of data at the same time. Address is nothing but it is a reference to the memory location. Control bus. Control bus control the RAM. RAM is a random access memory which is volatile memory and it can store data temporarily. And ROM is a read-only memory which can store data permanently and it is a non-volatile memory. Comparing to ROM, RAM has the very high speed. ALU is an arithmetic and logic unit which is a combination of digital circuit that can perform arithmetic and bitwise operators. Bit is nothing but binary digit. After processing, compiler is used. Compiler is nothing but it can convert the instruction to the processor which a way the processor can understand. 8-bit equal to 1 byte. Variable and constant in C. Variable is nothing but it is a data type where we can store data. For example, I equal to 5, where I is the variable, 5 is the constant. Each variable has a specific data type. Data type in C. There are 4 data type in C. Basic data type, derived data type, user defined data type, and valueless data type. Basic data type is an int, char, float and double. And derived data type is an array, pointer, function. User defined data type is a stub, union and enum. Each data type has a memory allocation. For example, integer has the 4-bit memory allocation and float has the 4-bit memory allocation. For char also, it can allocate a memory as 1 bit. Size of an operator is an operator which can tell the size of the operator that we can perform. Constant can be any of the basic data type. Example, integer constant, floating constant, character constant. Range of value is the concept of permutation and combination, which will be allocated. Permutation is a number of arrangement and combination is nothing but selections. And we can also convert the integer data type to float, but C does not convert the float to hexadecimal or octal. While coming to the C programming, C can get data from the scanf statement and provide output from the printf statement. An ampersand symbol is an address of it can tell the address of an data. It has a header file that, for example, as include studio.h is nothing but standard input and output header. And void function has a no return type. Looping concept in C. Looping is classified into for loop, while loop and do while loop. For loop has an syntax of initializing the value and condition and increment or decrement, where while loop is check the condition. If the condition is true, it will execute the statement, otherwise it skip out the program. Do while loop is nothing but it can check the condition at the end of the program. While loop is called as an entry control loop because it can check the condition in the beginning of the program. And do while loop is called as an exit control loop. Operations. Operation in C classified into three types: unary operator, binary operator and ternary operator. Unary operator is nothing but plus, minus, plus, minus. Binary operator is an arithmetic operation, relational operation, logical operation, bitwise operation, assignment operation. Ternary operator is a conditional operation. Precedent of operation. Precedent of operation is nothing but which operation has the higher priority. While, for example, we can have a number of operations in a single line command. Then we have to perform it by the precedence of an operation. Break statement is a control to take and end the program. While coming to switch case is in case of if statement. Based on the value, the corresponding case will be executed. Default case is nothing but no specific case. It will be always at the end of the case switch case. In switch case, there is no comparison between the cases. Go to statement is used to transfer the control from one place to another unconditionally. Exit is a function where the function to execute a statement.